What if I told you? Every time someone watches a viral product on Instagram Reels and buys it on Amazon, someone out there gets paid a commission. Not Amazon, not Instagram. A regular person, just like you, sitting at home. No office, no boss, no alarm clock. Just commissions, rolling in every single day. Keep watching, because in the next 2 minutes I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it, and how you can copy the whole thing starting today. Now here's the painful truth about making money online that nobody talks about. Most people trying to make affiliate commissions are doing the same thing. Picking random products, building a store nobody visits, running ads that drain their bank account, guessing, hoping, praying something works. 6 months later, same bank account, same job, same stress. And the worst part? The entire time, Instagram Reels was handing them a live cheat sheet, showing them exactly what millions of people desperately wanted to buy. Products going from 0 to 10 million views overnight. Comments screaming, "Where do I buy this?" People running to Amazon with their credit cards already out. And every single one of those sales, every commission from every purchase, was going to someone else. Until now, introducing InstaProfit AI, the world's first AI app that reads Instagram's most viral reels in real time. Identifies the exact products driving millions of views and millions of impulse purchases. Finds those products on Amazon, locks in your affiliate commission link on every single one, and builds you a fully hosted, done-for-you profit store around them. In 30 seconds. No guessing what sells. Instagram tells you. No searching Amazon. The AI does it. No building a store. It's live before your coffee gets cold. No writing copy. AI writes scroll-stopping Instagram-style sales descriptions for every product. No showing your face. No making videos. No posting on social media. No email list. No paid ads. Just log in. Type one keyword. Press one button. And watch InstaProfit AI turn Instagram's viral buying frenzy into your daily income. Here's exactly how simple this is. Step 1. You type one niche keyword. Kitchen, fitness, beauty, pets. Literally one word. Step 2. InstaProfit AI scans Instagram Reels in that niche. Finds the products getting millions of views and thousands of "Where do I buy this?" comments. Matches every single one on Amazon. Stamps your affiliate link on every product. Deploys your store automatically. Step 3. You collect commissions. Instagram created the demand. InstaProfit AI built your store around it. Amazon closes the sale. You get paid. That's the whole business model. Tomorrow morning you wake up without an alarm. You roll over, grab your phone, and before you've even sat up in bed, commission notifications. $34.82 from a kitchen gadget that blew up on Instagram Reels last night. $22.17 from a fitness tool that hit 4 million views while you slept. $67.50 from someone who clicked your link and bought 3 products at once, all before your feet touched the floor. From a store you built in 30 seconds, running on autopilot, while Instagram kept going viral. That is the life InstaProfit AI makes possible. Not someday, not eventually, starting today. Right now below this video there is a button. Click it and you get instant access to InstaProfit AI for a one-time price that makes 0 cents for what this does. No monthly fees, no experience needed, no face on camera, ever. Full 30-day money-back guarantee. If this doesn't work for you, you pay nothing. But I need you to understand something. Right now, at this exact second, Instagram Reels is going viral. Products are trending. Buyers are searching Amazon. Commissions are being paid. The only question is whether your link is in the path of those buyers or someone else's. Click the button. Get access. Build your first viral store in 30 seconds. I'll see you on the inside.